Do you remember earlier in 2024 when MetaTrader ceased operations on pretty much majority of prop firms and majority of the top brokers we were trading as Forex traders? Yeah, shit got real, and it really left us traders thinking like, is this really a scam? But regardless, what if I told you Hankotrade brought it back? Yes, MetaTrader back, and they actually have an exclusive partnership to make this a thing. So pretty much I'm gonna show you how this entire process works, how to sign up through Hankotrade to get access to MetaTrader, and what to expect. So if you don't know who I am, I go by Solo ETV, and in this particular YouTube channel, all we talk about is how to grow small accounts, how to flip small accounts, proper risk management, and go live streaming, showing you guys me either getting payouts through prop firms, growing prop firm accounts, and growing my personal accounts, all in my YouTube channel. So make sure you are subscribed if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you like and comment if you want more of these type of videos. So let's first talk about Hankotrade, right? We remember that Hankotrade was using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 at the time, and a lot of people were trading, a lot of traders were trading MetaTrader at that time. Yes, they did lose a lot of us when MetaTrader went down, but it wasn't the broker's fault. It was more of because MetaQuotes were trying to change their direction based off of what had happened with the whole thing of my Forex funds, and we get it. But all you're gonna do is simply register for an account. I would always say register, type the account that you want to go for is the ECN. It's just a way more efficient, way more better. Execution is a lot quicker. You can even go for ECN plus if you want, or if you have like bigger funds or anything like that. All right, so now you guys see it. We are logged into our Hankotrade account. This is only going to be MT4 only right now, compatible on the web version. For anybody here that's looking to create EAs or is an EA creator, this is going to be huge for you because EA creation is obviously a lot easier to do on MetaTrader, just for a lot of reasons. So first thing you want to do is come over here where you see live account, add a live account, and you're just going to simply go to MTX for EA compatible, and you're just going to simply create your account, and now it will redirect you over to the trading platform. So if you guys look closely here, you can come in here and select what type of account you want to do, STD or raw. I always like to do raw. I think it's way more efficient and better. And then of course you want to choose MTX4, and then you want to go for the leverage. It's up to you guys, but I always go for the highest leverage at 500. And then also for me, USD, we're going to go for that. Then you guys create your password. And then once you create your password, you're pretty much all set and ready to go. So if you guys come over here to trading platforms, you pretty much see your MTX4, and then you also have the beta for access ISO. It looks like it may be available. I'm not sure. I haven't fully tested that out, but we can always test it out now and see. All we're going to do is come to open, and then when we do that, as you see, it's giving us the terminal to set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this all up right now so we can all be on the same page. And also we're going to try out this access to the ISO and see if that's a thing too. All right, it is over with. So yes, we officially have MetaTrader. It just brings back so many memories, especially me in the USA. This is kind of why a lot of us start trading futures now, is because we started realizing that, yeah, this was a scam, and we realized we didn't want to be with this nonsense. But for those that still trading Forex like myself, and I still trade futures, it feels good seeing this back. So as you guys heard it, it looks like I was able to create a demo account. How you have to do it is you just got to do it through MetaTrader in order for it to actually work. But wow, this brings back memories. So let's just get straight to talking about the mobile version that I did see. I don't know if this is actually accurate or not, but it did say it was available. I want to see if I can just log in through MetaTrader 4 through my phone and maybe sign in through there. And if it works, then we pretty much got what we got, guys. So let's try it out. Okay, so now as I had clicked it, it's asking me to connect my account. So I already have my account, maybe trading ID, and then I think my password is this. Let's see, and it worked. So we pretty much have a ongoing thing. Okay, I get what's going on now. So this is a manipulation and imitation of the, I guess for those that is familiar with the phone platform, this is an imitation of that. Okay, all right, I see. That's cool. So we kind of see that we have the mobile version on the web version, which isn't bad at all. I do see that a couple things look a little different. I don't know if MetaTrader 4 updated or anything like that. You know, it's been a minute since I traded, but I do see the comparisons is here. So I want to be able to know if I can just place a trade anywhere here without having to do extra work. I do see we have this, so that's perfect. So one click is there. We do have new orders, so we can even go and add the stop loss TP. But I don't have any money here, so there's not much I can do on this account. Guys, if you look closely, this is what's going on. One, we are able to use MetaTrader 4 now. If you guys are in the USA, this is huge for us. Two, I'm not entirely sure how long this will be available, but seeing that they have this exclusive partnership in between kind of makes it a little solidified. So I think we could be good, but you know, don't keep your eggs in one basket. And I say this all the time, learn how to adapt, right? As humans, we need to adapt. So learn all of the trading platforms as much as you can. And then three, for those that are like, no, I'm not trading this, absolutely fine. We still got HankoX, which is HankoTrader. You're still able to use that. But for anybody that wants more cleaning and just more appealing and just make it an easier process, I'm going to be using this. And me using this is going to make it way much easier for me to trade. I do want to see if this works on the phone, so I'm going to do another video on that. So make sure you comment and subscribe if you guys really want to see that. And other than that, I appreciate y'all. Your boy Solo checking out. Peace.